if you need to add the page in the navigation, you need to go to the dashboard of your website, and after that, appearance, menus, and here you can see this is my primary menu because I have checked this box as a primary. And if I want to add the menu in the navigation, I have created this page test, and I would like to add this page to the menus. Now I will select this one and add it to menu, and now I can drag it to place anywhere. I'm placing just after the white for us. Hit save. Go to the Kodegems and visit site, and here you can see we have successfully added the test page.